Well, we are ready to write our first program in VBA. So go to the project and insert a new module from here. Here we can write functions and subprocedures. We'll discuss those things in detail later. For now, I'm adding a subprocedure over here in this way. So sub and the name of subprocedure, and then it ends with the end sub. And in between you need to write your lines of code or the program that you want to write. So for the time being, I'm just printing a message box. So for this, just write the keyword message box and your text inside it, and when you run it, it will display a message box over here. The same way, if you want to print or if you want to see multiple message boxes, just repeat the statements, because it will execute those things line by line. So in the same way, it will show you 3 message boxes if you run this thing. And you see that it requires user input. You need to click on OK button so that you move to next statement. Now we have another thing, a debug.print, which prints your output on a console and which does not wait for any user input. So for that, to view that, you need to go to View and Local Window, Immediate Window. Here you will see all the logs that you are going to print here. In the same way, it is not asking for any user input now, but you will see the logs here. You can wipe them off, and when you run again it will print the same thing. So let us say now if I want to print multiple things on console. So let us take an example of a mathematical operations. So a equals 10, and then I add something to a, and then I multiply it with 5, and then I finally print the value of a. So its value comes out to be 100. Why? 10 plus 10 makes it 20, and then 20 multiplied by 5 is 100. Now let us add more you can say logs in between. So I'm logging the value of a at every step. So when I run it now, it prints 10 initially when a was set to 10, and then it comes to next statement, it adds 10 to it, the value becomes 20, and that is what it printed in the console. And then it multiplied it with 5, which makes it 100, and then we finally printed that value. Keep watching our next videos to learn more about VBA programming. Thank you.